The big bakery has no multigrain bread, so I better go to the. I'll buy something to eat for lunch. I'm lazy to cook. I'm lazy to cook, so better buy for lunch. Here, maybe they have something, you know. Or I don't know, seafood. If I will eat, I better buy here. I will see their what you call this. Okay, guys, I'll go there to the I just bought Hazel's. I'll have to have that. That's whiting. Fish fingers. With hoki whiting. 12.50 whiting. Guys, I'll have to maybe I'll buy a roast chicken. It's been a long time. Oh, my chicken. I have to cook my chicken for tonight. I will not buy chicken. I will buy other food. I don't know. Lasagna beef. These are the food, guys. Look, the choices. I'll just look first. You have pork, roast pork. It's $45. Can I buy only a little?
Yeah, I got a little piece there.
How much? How much?
I gotta weigh it.
Okay, you have to weigh it. And then
That's $10.47.
$10.47. And then what will be my? Are you not going to? What will be my food? Anyway, I have rice at home. It's alright. That one, love. It's alright for me.
That one?
No, that's alright. That one, I'll get that. Is it? It is a crunchy
Yeah,
crackles. Thank you.
That's alright.
I have rice at home, so I'll not be. I saw the rice there. Oh, I have rice at home.
Just don't close that, otherwise it'll go soggy.
Okay.
Yeah, let it breathe.
Let it breathe.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I will not cook for lunch. I have this. Roast pork. Okay. I will cook. I will cook tonight. Anyway, what else can I get from here? Oh, they have fresh grapes. Red seedless per kilogram, $7.69. $7.69, very expensive. I have to finish all the fruits in the house. So many fruits will be rotten. I have that. I still have that. Anyway. Guys. I will not be cooking anymore. I have my roast. Funny. I'm supposed to cook, but I have my roast already. So no need. Okay, guys. I'll be paying my roast pork. That's for my lunch. I'll not be cooking. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you for watching.